Hey guys, today we're at Cerro Negro in Nicaragua, and we're gonna be sandboarding down a volcano, and I'm quite excited for that. This is just kind of the entrance. You gotta kind of come in and pay if you're coming alone, or if you're with your tour company, they'll pay and you sign a book. The mountain is just over the trees. We'll get to that later, but there's a bunch of volcanoes around here. It's quite a beautiful area, and I think I paid $75 American. I get to do the volcano, and then I get to go camping later somewhere. It's like a different activity. They just put it together and you save money. And I suppose I'll be in another video maybe, or maybe in this one, depends how much content I get. Yeah, all fun and adventure, sliding down volcanoes. Okay, so here's the volcano we're going down. So that'll be fun. Apparently it's a 45-minute climb up, and then I think they said it was like 700 meters or 800, or I forget. And then going down, I mean, depends how fast you go, but yeah, got the boards over there. And we'll give her a shit. We're almost halfway up now. You'll notice in the distance some burning. It's not uncommon for farmers to kind of burn things out so the cows have more grass, I suppose. But it doesn't actually do anything. Most people here think it's really windy. It's a good thing for that. It's hot as fuck. It's really windy up here. Okay guys, we reached the top. It's quite windy and there's a steep drop. The view up here is too. Check that out. Haircut really bad. I look ridiculous. But So this is the youngest volcano in the world. It's about 150 years old, like 152 or something. And yeah, it formed after an earthquake happened. So after the earthquake, yeah, I hope the wind's not too horrible to hear me. So you can actually feel the heat in the ground. It's very hot. I put a number on it. I'd say that's like 60, 80 degrees. I don't know. It's hot. It's hot, so it's cool. Like I'm on top of a volcano, and the ground's very hot. So like there's some stuff happening under there.
But actually you can see something here now that's way better than on the top. Yeah.
It's not so bad, I guess. Thought it'd be a bit faster, but maybe I'm being a bit of a pansy. Hope you enjoyed that. Look at this shit. Jokes, eh? Well, I'll catch you some other time. Okay, so my hair's full of sand, but I'm going down there. Kind of like you can control your speed quite easily. You'll be fine. Just like speeding up, I found kind of interesting, right? You have to keep your feet for balance, no matter what. Your heels have to click in. You notice, like when I went down there, like it was heavy and all the sand was coming. I didn't want that necessarily. I wanted to go a little bit faster. I got bored, which is why I started filming everywhere. I heard people have been down this thing like 20 seconds. I think with a bit of pracky I could get there, but yeah, like it's definitely nothing scary. If you come out here, do it. No matter how old you are, what age, it's safe. You'll be fine. Really cool experience. Definitely bring a face covering. That's something that, like they say, bring a bandana. I read that. I was like, I don't know what the fuck they want. It's for your face. You could do without it, but it sucked quite a bit. So here's the view from the bottom. And so yeah, definitely come out here and give it a go. And this guy's great. Use him. What's your company called?
Volcano Day.
Volcano Day.
Yeah.
So go use Volcano Day. They've been a great tour. They give watermelons and shit. This guy's Eric. He's a fucking beauty. He's one of the boys.
Thank
and
you,
so yeah, I hope you liked the video. And if you did, give me some attention, like, subscribe, all that fucking jazz, or comment below. Cheers.